Here we have for sale our March 2024 on a 24 plate Ford Transit Custom. This is a 300 model, which means it's got a 3-ton gross vehicle weight. It's got the 2-litre EcoBlue Euro 6 diesel engine producing 136 PS, which is roughly 136 brake horsepower. This is a short wheelbase, limited panel van finished in the fantastic metallic magnetic grey 6-speed manual gearbox. And what we're going to do in this video is have a little walk around. I'll show you the spec that you get on a Ford Transit Custom Limited of this age. We'll talk you through all of the fantastic styling options that we have fitted during our preparation. We'll talk you through the condition in detail on this particular example and what we've also done to it in our van specialist workshop, Bridgend Van Care, getting it ready for sale here at Bridgend Van Centre. So starting here then at the rear of the van, we can see that this one is spec'd with rear barn doors. So barn doors are 2 doors which open in that sort of fashion. On a Limited, you get a number of elements which come colour coded in the body colour. So that includes things like the door handles, the bumpers, the mirror caps, all come colour coded in the body colour, which in this case is metallic magnetic grey. Now you'll see on the door handles these little dimples just here, and that tells us that it has got keyless entry, but it's also got keyless start as well. So if you've got the key in your pocket, you can put your hand behind the door handle like so, and it will unlock that door. And when you're ready to walk away from it, press the little dimple there, and it will lock the van for you as well. Feels very modern indeed to live with day to day. And as I say, same goes with the starting. Jump in, foot on the clutch, foot on the brake, press the start-stop button, and away you go. At the back then, a number of elements, as I say, which we have added to modify the van and further enhance it. So at the top then you can see the nice gloss black rear spoiler there. Down below then we've got the carbon rear bumper protector, and then this gloss black lower splitter there as well, which is all part of a full gloss black low line kit which is completely around the van, which I'll talk you through as we walk around. Handily for us, the Transit Custom comes with gloss black badging and also gloss black rear lights like so, and I think that ties everything in really very nicely, and even in a sort of a subtle contrast like this compared to the metallic magnetic grey, I think it looks absolutely spot on. Now you do get rear parking sensors as standard, front parking sensors as well, but you also get a reversing camera as standard on the Limited. In terms of condition here then at the back of the van, it's looking in fantastic order. When the van came into us, there was a little dent just here, which our paintless dent removal specialist has expertly removed. Being very fussy, if you're sort of very keen eye for paintwork, you will just about notice that in the paintwork, but as I say, 99.9% of the time I don't think that will be seen, but as I say, full transparency, if I can see it I will gladly point it out to you. Opening up the rear doors then, we can start to have a look inside the back of the van here. So as you can see, you can open these doors fully to their full 180 degree opening position. They will just as a default lock into place there at 90 degrees, and then with a good push they will open then fully to 180 degrees. And you can see in the back of the van here then, this has had brand new ply lining fitted as part of our preparation as well. You can see the ply liner does a brilliant job with all full silicone sealing in around the wheel boxes there. Very neat and tidy job. You can also see then the correct placement of the toolkit, which is just there, and also just paying close attention to the exposed painted areas, how lovely the condition is inside the back of here. LED load lighting comes of course as standard. There's also on these now a little button just here to operate 2 further LED lights at the back of the van. But yeah, brilliant condition inside the back. You've got that nice hard wearing plastic tray which you can fix things down to. You can put racking down here. Of course, if you're going to use this for leisure purposes, there's a whole host of things you could do in the back of there, but a great blank canvas to start with. If we shut the doors then, we'll continue to go around the outside of the van. So looking here down the passenger side of the vehicle, and again just looking in these reflections here, this looks absolutely spot on, all looks absolutely original, and yeah, no issues that I can see there at all. Looks very nice indeed. Now, as I mentioned, the low line kit, so we've got this nice little subtle side skirt which is there, and then around to the front you also get the front splitter in gloss black and also these gloss black canards as well, which I think just subtly set it off very well, and then also the roof bars that are there also. 20-inch alloy wheels, really nice design on these alloy wheels. These are fully load rated with 103 load rated tyres, so plenty of load rating there for the weight of the van, and again I think that ties in very well with the rest of the styling. And opening up the side loading door then, we can see the condition from this angle here, again just looking at the step, the floor, and of course the bulkhead. You've got of course the load through hatch there as well, so you can load through underneath the passenger seats. Inside the cab here then, condition of the step, again the floor, a couple of little marks here or there to the plastics, same with a door card just there, which unfortunately is hard to avoid on a van sometimes, but as I say, if I can see them I will gladly point them out to you. Seats though are looking absolutely spot on. No issues there, no rips, tears, cigarette burns, anything like that. If we flip these forward, you can see the condition here in even underneath the seats. Get this mat out of the way. No issues there at all, even underneath the seats. I say the attention to detail that our guys go to, even under there is no stone left unturned. Also with the fold down work tray, there's also somewhere to store some paperwork just there as well. I'll come around to a bit more of the spec when we go around to the driver side in just a second, but yeah, I'm just trying to see if there's anything else I can point out here. Wing mirror caps looking absolutely spot on. Of course, all of this styling is brand new, in readiness for sale, so wheels and tyres are all absolutely brand new, no wear or curbing marks or anything like that on those. Round to the front then, we also upgrade the front grille, so you can see this brilliant honeycomb gloss black front grille, which I think is a really nice upgrade on these vans, and again I think that just ties in very well with all of the other spec options on here. So looking at the bonnet, you're going to get the odd tiny little stone chip here or there, which has just been neatly touched in the correct colour during preparation, but I'm being fussy, there's really not much to fault here. It's looking very, very nice indeed. Got these nice Ford LED lights at the front with the LED daytime running light there, and say that lower front splitter. I think all in all a very appealing package indeed. Now this is a March 2024, which means it's got manufacturer's warranty until March of 2027, so plenty of peace of mind there. And during our preparation, Bridgend Van Care have conducted a full service on this van in readiness for sale as well. So it's got a clean bill of health, absolutely ready to drive away straight away and be put into work or whatever you want to use it for, but as I say, it is ready to go straight away. Inside the cab then, again, just having a look at the floor, the step, you can get a little bit of wear here to the plastics and things, but all absolutely consistent with its age and mileage, no issues there. Same with the driver's seat. Having a look at the inside of the driver's door card, electric windows, electric folding mirrors, you've got auto-activated lights, auto-activated wipers, 2 full remote keys with the vehicle, and as I say, these are keyless entry, keyless start, so you can just have these in your pocket. It feels very, very modern indeed to live with day to day. Adaptive cruise control on the left hand side, your onboard computer controls just there. Really nice light steering on these now, which makes them an absolute joy to drive. Inside then, 27,727 miles. You can see it's all idling correctly there, no warning lights or anything like that on the dashboard. 6-speed manual gearbox to go along that 136 PS diesel engine. Really nice, over 11-inch display screen here in the center, which crucially gives you wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, depending on what smartphone that you've got. You've of course got DAB radio on here as well. If you put the vehicle into reverse, you've got this really crystal clear reversing camera there as well. Heated seats, heated door mirrors, air conditioning, heated windscreen, all of that comes as standard now on the Limited, and I say all along the bottom of the screen there, which I think looks absolutely spot on. Of course, you've still got the hidden cup holder just under there, and also a USB and a 12-volt socket underneath as well. The trusty driver's armrest, which is on a ratchet, so you can set that to your desired height. But these are an absolute joy to drive. I've been driving one myself now for the last 6 months or so, and yeah, it is very difficult to go back once you've experienced these new Transit Customs. I think they drive, as I say, very, very well. And I think the styling package that we've put on these, I think just subtly sets it off so nicely. I don't think it needs any more than that. Some of them have, big front splitters on the new shapes that I've seen, but I think this just works very, very well and further enhances it from a standard van, but still giving you that nice sporty look and something a little bit different from just the other ones that you will see driving around on the road. As I mentioned, manufacturer's warranty until March 2027, fresh service on it in our van specialist workshop, Bridgend Van Care. They've been right through it, and it is all good to go. Brand new ply lining in the back. So yeah, I think a very, very attractive proposition indeed in metallic magnetic grey, which is just such a popular colour in these vans. If you'd like to see the full ad of it, you can head over to our website there, bridgendvans.co.uk. That's where you'll find the price, the description, and the photography of this van, and of course all of the others that we have currently got advertised. We can arrange finance at very competitive rates. We can arrange delivery nationwide. Of course, finance is subject to acceptance and status. and we can take cars or vans in part exchange. Thank you very much for watching.